Hello and welcome to Recipe Chapter. Today, I'll show you how to make delicious garlic butter chicken thighs with just 5 ingredients. Let's start.
Today, I'll show you how to make creamy garlic butter chicken in just one pan. All ingredients list. First, you will need 4 bone-in skin-on chicken thighs. Next, take 1/4 cup of unsalted butter softened to room temperature. You'll also need 5 cloves of garlic, crushed for a vibrant flavor. Prepare a tablespoon of olive oil for searing the chicken. A handful of freshly chopped parsley will add a fresh finite. To ensure a crispy skin, pat your chicken thighs dry with a paper towel. Season both sides of the chicken generously with salt and black pepper. 5 ingredients. Place your black cast iron skillet on medium heat. Add the tablespoon of olive oil to the hot pan. Carefully place the chicken thighs skin side down into the skillet. Sear for about 5 minutes until the skin is perfectly golden and crispy. Add the 1/4 cup of butter to the side of the skillet to melt. Add the crushed garlic cloves to the melted butter and stir for 30 seconds. Spoon the delicious garlic butter sauce over the chicken thigh. This step ensures every piece is infused with incredible flavor. Bake for about 10-15 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. Look at that golden crispy perfection! Add a generous amount of freshly chopped parsley to the pan. Serve the chicken on a clean plate. Get ready to enjoy the best one-pan meal ever. Thanks for watching.